everyone, LiveItLikeLisa here again, and today I have what is this one? This is a Reject Shop and Target home decor haul. I haven't got very many things, so this will be quite a quick one, so we'll just jump right in. So first of all, from Target, I purchased this set of tea towels. I thought I actually bought 2 sets. Maybe I only bought 1. But what I actually plan to do with these is make some pillowcases out of them. As you can see, the IKEA ones, it's very similar style. And I just wanted to get a couple of bigger ones. So I plan to use the tea towel as like one side and then probably just do a plain linen material on the other. So there's a checkered style, a striped style, and a more block type striped style, and they were only $6 for a pack of 3, so I thought that was quite good. And you know what, looking at them now, I might actually go and get another packet and maybe just join them together. It might just be easier. So yeah, those I really like. Also from Target, I got this thing on clearance. Now if this doesn't scream Farmhouse Country, I don't know what does. This is a bison skull, and I actually got this for $10. I think they were just trying to get rid of it. I'm not sure what the original price was, but yeah, I got this for $10. It's quite heavy as well. So I'm not actually sure if I'm going to use that in the living area somewhere, or maybe in my daughter's room. Maybe, you know how they put the little floral flowers along the outside of it, something like that. So that's from Target. And the other thing from Target I got were these 2. So the little bowl and plate, and those I just plan to take to work, just to have as like a little plate and a bowl at work for lunches and things like that. So I think the bowl was $3 and the plate was $2. So they were quite cute. So that was all really I got from Target. Now from the Reject Shop, again, with my Farmhouse Country theme, I've already got one of these, but I wanted another one for my dining table. This is like a farmhouse type jug, and that was $9. This was from the Reject Shop. The other thing I got from the Reject Shop were just 2 plain white pillar candles. Again, I just got these for some decorating around my living area, and they were only about $2 each, and they're unscented, so I mainly got those just for decoration. The other cute little thing I got from the Reject Shop was this little bicycle and pot plant tin, and I also got this little plant from the Reject Shop, which was $5, and that just sits in there quite nicely. So the bike I actually plan to use in my bathroom to give it more of that Farmhouse Country look in the bathroom, and I think this bike was about $7, something like that. And the plant I said I think was $5, and I got 2 of those actually. And I like these leaves because they're not so bright green. They're sort of like a dull powdered down type green, which I quite like. And the other little bit of a boring piece from the Reject Shop was just this big enormous cat litter box for our cat. I don't know if you can see that there. It's actually one of those boxes that has the lid that goes on top as well. Let's get it on like that. So yeah, they go in through there. So that just helps to keep all the cat litter contained, and hopefully all the smells contained before we get a chance to empty the box out. And that was, I think it was actually marked at $20, but I think when they scanned it, it came up at like $15. So it was quite cheap. It wasn't too bad, and I just got a scoop for that as well. So yeah, that's it as far as my Reject Shop and Target decor haul. It wasn't a very exciting one, but there was a couple of cute little things in there. And my next one I'm about to film now is my Spotlight home decor haul, so be on the lookout for that one. That one should be coming up very shortly. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.